Welcome to my 3 dimensions. This is part 3 of the OpenSCAD tutorials. So I would recommend watching the previous two. They would be there in the description down below. So in this video, I will show you 3 ways to make a complex shape using the basic cubes and spheres and cylinders. And I will show you in the end how to make a keychain like I did for my SketchUp videos. So first, as you can see, we have the function difference. So the function difference just takes the cube and removes the sphere from it. So it's basically cube minus the sphere. Currently, this is not rendered in. So I'll explain the syntax. It's just difference with brackets, and under the curly brackets, you will write down the two shapes you want to remove. So here, simple. We can even use this. Now this is one shape when you plus the plus minus sign. This is one shape. So now difference is this. So now we can use this to create another shape, like we'll minus something out of this shape. So we'll remove another cube, or we'll cut out half of it, the top half. So basically this is the center, we'll cut out the top half of it. So for that we'll have to write cube the same size, but the y-axis will be half, z-axis will be half. Sorry, so 6 by 6 by 3 from the previous cube here, and this will be center will equal to 2, but won't this just cut out the central, so we'll translate it to 0 by 0 by 3. And always remember to put a semicolon. As I talked in my first video about the render and preview, rendering complex objects takes longer. So here we have half of the shape. So next we have is intersection. So this is the complete opposite of difference. This will show the parts that are getting combined. So this will just show the two parts which are being touched. So we have the union, which does not need any syntax. It's just two shapes. So there's no difference between this and this, because it always stays in default. So let's move on to show you how to make the keychain. Let's start with our keychain. The keychain over here is very simple. It's not complicated at all. So the cube is 10 units by 4 units by 0.6. So I did a bit of math. It's not that complicated. And the cube. So then I have translated this shape to uh, 2 units on the y-axis and 0.15 high. Over here we have the difference. So we are removing cylinder with the radius of 2 and the height of 3 from 1.5. So this will be our place where we attach the keys. And then for the text, all you need to do is write text with quotes, and under that you will write whatever you want to write. And there's the size over here. Just mention the size. Linear extrude is the thickness of the text. And this here I translate the text for it to be in the middle. It takes quite a lot of trial and error, but once you get the hang of it, you won't need to try it as many times. That's all for OpenSCAD. So next, I will show you on Cura. Cura will require only one video, and it's very simple. In Cura, I will show you how the keychain itself from this, and thank you. See you until next time.